In the fresh morning of Samoa today, I see young people walking the wrong way. Dreams that once shined bright yesterday now grow dark as drugs lead them astray. Our elders taught us the righteous path, respect and love with a humble heart. But the modern world is calling now loud, pulling our youth toward a darker route. Young generation, please hear my plea. Strength is not found in drugs, you see. You name your blood, your Samoan pride. That's where your true hope lives inside. Say no to drugs, say no to drugs. Samoa, Iato fo ile ala tuailele. Mofana umo ai kamolelu manai. Ia ola Samoa ile file mumale fa amaoni. Say no to drugs, tutu iluga. Iato fa afo ile agaga. Samoa ole ola etasi etawa tele. Say no to drugs for us all, Samoa.
The hearts of mothers and fathers are crying when they see their children fall in a tragedy. This is not a game, it's not something funny. Drugs can steal your life and your identity. Remember your village and your faith, your family, your name, your ancestry. Don't trade it all for a moment of pleasure. Your future is worth far more than that. Say no to drugs.
Say no to drugs. Samoa, Iato fo ile ala tuailele. Mofana umo ai kamolelu manai. Ia ola Samoa ile file mumale fa amaoni. Say no to drugs, tutu iluga. Iato fa afo ile agaga. Samo ole ola etasi etawa tele. Return to the rhythm of your heart. You don't need drugs to make you strong.
The music, the spirit, the love we share, these are the things that rebuild Samoa today.
Say no to drugs, say no to drugs. Samoa, Iato fo ile ala tuailele. Mofana umo ai kamolelu manai. Ia ola Samoa ile file mumale fa amao. Say no to drugs, tutu ilu. Iato fa afo ile agaga. Samoa